Welcome to the Echo Warehouse in Pomona, California. This is one of three that we have. We're premiering two of our excellent products that are lithium powered pallet jack. One of them is the EPC25LI, which is a lithium powered pallet jack, and it's a 5,000 pound capacity. It has an external charger. You can remove the battery so you can charge the battery separately from the unit. Very popular, very compact, great for delivery trucks or compact warehouses where you have a tight area, or for order pulling. Second unit we have is the EPC20LI, which is 4,400 pound capacity, has a removable battery, external charger, also has the electronic key, the battery discharge indicator, and the turtle mode. Great units. We have customers that use both. It just depends on what pallets, pound of pallets that you're using. It's fantastic, and it lasts very well. Please contact Echo Material Handling Equipment or your account manager for further information and pricing. Thank you.